Here is the gamma match on my 5-element UHF Yagi. This pictorial review is complementary to my previous post on gamma match regarding implementation for Yagi antennas. Close-up view of the gamma match assembly on the UHF Yagi showing the gamma shorting stub, gamma tube, RG6 coax with sleeve and sheath removed, and the connection to SO239 fixed on the boom near the driven element. Gamma shorting stub can be moved over the gamma tube and driven element millimeter by millimeter, checking the SWR for tuning the Yagi antenna for minimum SWR. When the best SWR is obtained, the screws on the shorting stub can be tightened further to prevent inadvertent movements. SWR is rechecked once again for confirmation. Adjusting the gamma match is in effect tuning a variable capacitor formed by the combination of coax in a conductor with dielectric covering and the gamma tube surrounding it. Here is a picture of the gamma match on my 7-element UHF Yagi prototype mounted on PVC mast. Close-up of the gamma match on the 7-element UHF Yagi showing gamma pipe, shorting stub, RG6 coax with sheath and sleeve removed inside the gamma pipe. SO239 mounted on the boom near the driven element, and the HLF 200 cable connected to the SO239 with a PL259 connector.